Hello, 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 friends. Welcome back, welcome back. I am at Home Depot. You guys can see the orange side. It is Home Depot. Come out, guys. Spring is almost there. Complete yourself a garden, guys. They got most beautiful vegetables so far. So far, I love Home Depot vegetable garden so far. They're fresh and fluff. They got onion in the bag. They got tomatoes. They got pepper. Let me smell that basil. Oh my God, I want to make some tea. They got basil, they got rosemary, you name it. Oh, yes, I want to cook. They have everything, guys. It is time now to come out. And oh my God, let me see. They even have strawberry out yet. Oh my God. They have strawberries. Oh my God. There's some flowers on those strawberries, guys. It is the garden time. Garden time, guys. I have to go get inside because the garden section door is not open yet. I have to go inside. Guys, thank you so much for watching. See you for another garden video. I have to go inside to check the fruit section. Home Depot it is. Thank you, friends, for watching. Please subscribe and like. Have a blessed day. I have to go inside. 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 This is the bonus tour we're getting, guys. Inside. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm going inside. Inside.